Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BIOC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Wednesday, and the main annotation to point out is that orange line that I talked about quite a bit. And that was just mapping out the fact that, yeah, yesterday there was a big pullback on Wednesday, but overall, the trend was still up. I mean, the price was still nicely up above that orange line. However, after today's price movement, you can no longer say that. The price continued to pull back, and the problem with the pulling back is now the price is down below that trend line there. Now, does that mean that this thing is totally going to crash down to 10 cents? I'm not saying that. My point is that the entire kind of premise of Wednesday's video no longer applies because the trend has been violated. Now, there is still one little kind of a bit of grace here. There is still kind of one little maybe ace up the sleeve of the bulls, and that has everything to do with the pink line right here, the very famous 200 period simple moving average. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, a very surface deep level of understanding, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is up above it, that does still give the advantage to the bulls from the big picture point of view and the big picture trend. Now, once again, I should note, as I talked about on Wednesday, if you're some sort of day trader and you bought right there or you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, then yeah, I get it. You don't care about any of these levels that I'm talking about. So I am definitely talking about right now from the perspective of somebody that would care about the grand scheme of things. So with that being said, I am going to get rid of that line. It's done its part here. So definitely the must-hold level of support, no doubt about it, do or die level, whatever dramatic term you want to come up with it, is going to be that pink line there going forward, right now valued at 29 cents. So 29 cents must-hold area of support. As far as resistance levels, in the near term, you can see this purple line here, the 50-period moving average, is now being a pretty big thorn in the side of the bulls, and that's valued at 35 cents. So 35 cents near-term level of resistance, and again, must-hold level of support down there at that 200-period moving average. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.